Hello viewers, Instagram new update map option. In this video I will show how to fix Instagram map option not showing. Let's see how to solve this problem. Open on Play Store and click on search option. Tap on search bar. Search Instagram. Update your Instagram app if showing on Play Store. Open on Instagram profile icon. Click on three-dot menu. Scroll down. Click on help option. Tap on report a problem. Tap this icon. Click report problem. Include and continue option click. Tap on send option. Back on Instagram, then click on home option and click on message icon. Now map option available on my Instagram message bar. Thanks for watching.